How to switch between projects in Lovable. So in order to do that, first head over to lovable.dev and access the project that you first want to access. I have in here this site which is called Post Live. So this is my first project and I want to switch between another project that I currently did. In order to do that, you can see in here that there's a drop down under the name of this project. Expand that, and here you can click on this go to dashboard option. Alternatively, you can just go over to the actual URL of lovable.dev, scroll down, and then locate the second project that you want to switch with. I have in here this Pinky Allure, so let's head over and click on it. And from in there, this will open the second website that I have created using the actual Lovable. So in order to switch back, just head over and click on this and then go to dashboard and then access the next part or the next project that you wish to use. So that's how you switch between projects in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.